Instagram story audio option not showing. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Instagram and make sure that you see update. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, simply tap Instagram open because your application is already updated. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to write a report. For that, tap on three bar icon. Scroll all the way below and here you will see help. Tap on to help, tap report a problem, tap report a problem again. And likewise here, simply type in that you are not being able to see the audio save option. And you can also simply attach a screenshot if you have any, then tap on send. Now wait for a couple hours and Instagram will reply to you, and just like so, this is how you get the fix. Thank you all for watching guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.